Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. What is Solana, SOL, Pay, and how does it work? Solana Pay is an open protocol for developers to build on and customize, with standardized payment criteria. PayPal was a massive innovation in the payments processing industry. The financial brainchild of Peter Thiel, Max Levchin and eventually, Elon Musk aimed far ahead of its time, facilitating instant payments between customers, businesses and more while utilizing the internet. Solana, SOL, Pay is considered by many to be the next innovation in the payments processing arena, facilitating payments while taking non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and WEB3 into account. Some are going so far as to call Solana's new payment protocol the Visa or PayPal of WEB3. This post will break down Solana Pay and how it works, so you can decide whether the project is all it's cracked. Solana Pay to provide that transaction power to the masses. History of Solana Pay. While Solana Labs were a big part of the Solana Pay development process, other companies were involved as well. According to Share, Circle, Checkout.com, Sicken, Phantom, FTX and Slope all played a part in establishing the foundation for the digital payment platform Solana Pay. Team Circle states that 73% of businesses believe accepting digital payments is fundamental to growth in 2022, according to a study by Visa. That same study revealed that 59% of those businesses already are, or plan to, use only digital payments within the next 2 years. These statistics were part of the foundation for Solana Pay, as Solana Labs, Circle and their other partners want to be ready for these early adopters. Share joined Solar Labs in 2021 to work on Solana Pay. How does Solana Pay work? Digital payment platform Solana Pay offers businesses and customers immediate, fee-free transactions. The recovery extends. Popular Twitter analyst @SmartContractor noted that SOL had shown a bullish Morningstar pattern for March, indicating that it was set to recover further after losses earlier in the month. The token is up nearly 33% from its March lows of around $81. Institutional interest. The Digital hopes boost Solana SOL benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers SOL staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to SOL. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG The Digital, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also eased from the previous week, which saw outflows of $47 million. The Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly Report revealed that investment products for digital assets saw total inflows of $193 million last week, a level not seen since early December 2021. The last time investment levels were near the current figure was in the week ending on December 3rd, which saw $184 million worth of inflows. The fund flows had a big focus on Bitcoin, BTC, with just over 50% of the capital going into products based on BTC, which saw inflows totaling $98 million. Solana, SOL, was runner-up, seeing $87 million inflows for the week, a figure that CoinShares says is the largest single week of inflows on record. SOL-based funds now represent 36% of assets under management with institutional firms, the largest altcoin after Ether. ETH-based funds saw inflows last week totaling just $10.2 million. Europe was the significant contributor, with firms seemingly bolstered by the news that the bill banning proof of work (POW) mining did not pass. 76% of inflows, or about $147 million, came from the region last week. The figures from the report are in sharp contrast to the data the week prior, which saw $49.4 million withdrawn from BTC, and that from mostly North American firms, with concerns regarding increasing crypto regulations. Related, IOSCO says DeFi is quickly evolving, and cloning financial markets. The inflows of cash by institutional firms correlate with the price of Bitcoin seeing a recent surge above $48,500 at one point. The same was true with Ether, which broke out over $3,300. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027.